So welcome for today's class 7th integers chapter ICSE board. So today I will be clearing your concept on properties of subtraction of integers, closure under subtraction. So there are so here let us subtract an integer from another integer and check whether the result is an integer. Means we will subtract these two integers. We'll see if the result is integer. Means for all are doing 9 difference means you'll have to subtract minus 13. You will get minus 4. So here result is an integer. Result is an integer. So same way you all have to do for this one. Minus 13 plus 9 you will get minus 22. Here also minus 5 minus into minus 7. Difference you'll have to see, right? This one is minus. Minus 13 minus 9, it will give you minus 22. Minus 5 minus is the difference. So minus into minus plus 7. So you will get positive 2. But the result is an integer for all. Here also, result is an integer. Okay. Next, thus, let me write down. Thus we find the difference of two integers is an integer. In other words, if A and B are any two integers, then A minus B is also an integer. This is called closure. This is closure property of subtraction of integers. So is the concept clear? You can let me know, okay? Thanks for watching about this closure under addition subtraction. So we will see, basically it is not commutative under subtraction, meaning we are talking about the integer. Okay? So first we will consider the integers. Like 7 and minus 4 I will consider, okay? So we note that 7 minus into minus 4, okay? So it will be, this is of subtraction, no? So that's why what we do is we take two integers 7 and minus 4. Then I will write 7 over here and then minus, because we are subtracting this minus 7 with this. meaning I am subtracting 4 with this minus with this 7, sorry. This is the subtraction, means minus, and this is the second integer, minus 4. So if I do this 7 minus into minus, it will be plus 4. 7 plus 4 will be 11, I will get positive 11. Okay, minus into minus plus, right? Same thing if I do with this one, like if I take and now if I take this minus 4 first, and then if I write minus 7 here, I will get minus 11, but they are not same. This is positive, this is negative I am getting here. So now this implies that 7 minus into minus 4, this whichever I took, is not equal to minus 4 minus 7. Not equal, right? They are not equal because I am getting positive and negative here. So they are not equal. So thus what we have to say here, thus we conclude that subtraction is not commutative. For integers that is, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A is not equal to b. Okay, we conclude that subtraction is not commutative because they are not equal. We are getting positive, negative here. So this a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Okay, I hope the concept is clear now. But still, if you all have any doubts, queries related to this, you can comment below and let me know. Okay, thanks for watching. Take down, we are talking about the integers. We'll see, because integers, they are not associative under addition. Okay, for example, let us consider the integers. You all can consider any three integers, okay, like I will consider 3, minus 5 and 11. Any three numbers you all have to consider. Okay, so we note that this, suppose 3 minus into minus 5 minus 11 is equal to, now let us see, first these two numbers will be in bracket and one number will be outside the bracket. So 3 minus and minus plus, so 3 plus 5 minus 11, so 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 11, what you will get? You will get minus 3. And we will check then for, now 3 will be outside, minus, so minus 5 minus 11. Now this second two numbers will be inside the bracket, one number will be outside, the first number will be outside the bracket. So here what we will do is write down 3 minus, so here inside minus 5 minus 11 will be how much? Minus 16. So here 3 minus minus plus 16, your answer will be 19. 16 plus 3 is 19. So here we are getting minus 3, here we are getting 19, which is not equal. Right? So therefore what you will say, now this implies that 3 minus into minus 5 minus 11 is not equal to this equation. 3 minus into minus 5 minus 11, no, not equal, right? So now what I will say is, thus we conclude, you can write down, okay? Thus we conclude that subtraction is not associative for integers. That is, if a comma b and c are any integer, then a minus. So if a, b and c are any integer, then a minus b into minus c is not equal to a minus into b minus c, and c is not equal to 0. Okay, so you all can see here, these two inside a bracket, one outside, you are getting minus 3. Here one is, this number is, first number is outside the bracket and these two are inside. You are getting 19. Are they equal? They are not equal. That's why we say that the integers, meaning not associative under addition. Okay, so they are not equal. So it is not satisfying the property. I hope you have understood this concept, and thanks for watching. In the next video I will be giving you all the examples and everything in the next class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below. Okay.